So how do you set the side button to cut calls on the iPhone? Let's get into it. It's a very simple thing. All you have to do is to open up the settings app like this and make sure you find the accessibility section. So it is, as you can see, marked with a person icon on a blue background. So just get inside and from there find the touch section, which is part of the physical and motor. So when you get in here, obviously plenty of things to change and tweak, but at the bottom, the thing there which has a toggle is called prevent lock to end call, and this is most likely the thing that you are looking for. If you have this option turned on, if the toggle is green, it just means that your phone will not end or cut the call when you press the side button. But if you turn it off, it means that the side button will work in that fashion, and during a phone call, it will actually terminate the call when you press it. So, based on your preferences, you can decide how exactly you want to have it, but most importantly, this is where you can find it. So, I'm going to wrap up the video right now. There isn't really much else which I could show you. So, thanks a lot for watching. Most definitely let me know below in case of any questions. Subscribe for more, and I'll catch you in the future tutorials.